see an LED blinking, but this is not an ordinary LED blinking. We only made the circuit like this. We only made the circuit. The code is generated by the DeepSeek. So this is the DeepSeek. I told the DeepSeek that generate me a code for the MikroC for PIC with an LED connected to the pin number 20, that is pin number D1. So it generated a code, but at this he made a mistake. I told him D1, he got it as D0. I told him that please check pin 20 is D1. It made the correction, but still there was an error at this command. So I just copy pasted the command and told him the compiler gives error here. Then he generated another code and there was no error. I just copy pasted this code into my MikroC for PIC compiler and bam, here it goes. And he also gave an alternative method as well. So I also used the alternative method. Both worked fine. So the code generated by the DeepSeek works as per our expectation. So this code is here, as you can see. This is the second one, alternate one generated by the DeepSeek, and it is working perfectly fine over here. Guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video, I will show you can DeepSeek AI tool generate MikroC for PIC LED blinking code. So we will be using a very simple possible hardware, that is to blink an LED. And then we will try generating a code using the DeepSeek AI tool. So let's see, can it do it? Can it generate a code which can blink the LED? So let's get started. So guys, let's first make a circuit. This over here is our PIC16 F877A microcontroller having 40 pins. It's a DIP version. This over here is a LED. LED has two pins, one longer, one shorter. Now to connect this LED with the PIC, we need a grounding resistor. Now guys, the longer pin is the power pin, the shorter pin is always the ground pin. Now guys, this resistor can be of any value from 100 to 500 ohm. If you go higher values, the LED will start to go dimmer. So by default it will start dim. So the ideal value is like 220 to 330 ohm. So guys, let's do the connections. For the longer pin, connected to the one end of the resistor. From the other end of this resistor, you can connect it to any available digital input output pin. I connected to pin number D1. For the ground, just connect it directly to the ground. This is the simple circuit. So let me show you the hardware first. So on the hardware, this is the hardware here. This is our PIC16 F877A, and this over here is the LED. One LED of these will be used. So let me show you the LED is working. So I connected directly. See, the LED is working. So just this was a test for the LED. So now let's go to the Chrome, and on the Chrome I go and write the here DeepSeek like this, press enter. So this is a DeepSeek, is a Chinese tool. Click on it. Start now. Okay, here you have to write the prompt. So our prompt will be, I have MikroC for PIC version 7.6.0. I have a PIC16 F877A microcontroller, and then you write, I have connected an LED with it at pin number 20, that is pin D1. Now generate me a code to blink that LED with a delay of 500 millisecond. Okay, let's see what it do. Now prompt is important. You have to learn this thing. Okay, it is generating a code. Okay, it is generating two codes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we copy the first code, and now we go to the MikroC. On the MikroC, the start page, let me zoom in. On the MikroC, go to the file. I also have a lecture on this, how to download and install this video. You can check it out. Click on file, new project. This window pops up, new project wizard. Click on next. Write the name DeepSeek LED blink test. Okay, path where your files will be created. Select the microcontroller. I have PIC16 F877A. The crystal I have at pin number 13 and 14 is 20 megahertz. Click on next and finish. Now guys, here before you do anything else, first of all, save your work. Click on save. It's saved. So we are not going to write the code. We just copy paste the code from the DeepSeek. So this was the first code. Okay. Okay. It says to LED blink program for PIC 16, LED connected to D0. When I said D0, it is connected to D1. Did I wrote D0 there? Let's check. No, I wrote LED connected to pin number D1. Pin number 20 is D1, not D0. Okay, check again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is D1. Okay, we also check the data sheet as well. PIC 16 F877A data sheet. Go to images. There. Save image. Open it. Okay, zoom in. Okay, pin number 20 is D1. Then why it says it's okay? This is one mistake it made right here. Okay, pin number 20, it is declaring pin number 20 as D0 while 20 is D1. Okay, I copy this code. I don't know for the due by. Okay, I built this code. So there are a lot of errors. So it made the first error over here at pin D0. Okay, but it is writing the correct command. So I tell him that you are making a mistake. Please check pin 20 is D1. Okay, let's see what it do. Yes, now it's making the correction. Okay, that's fine. It made the correction. But again, the program has same error. So it also gave the alternative code as well. We tried this code. It's an error. Now see what is the next error. One we figured out, which is not a good omen. Okay. The next thing is that it gives error. I click on build. It gives error here. I tell him that there is an error at this pin. Okay, let's get back to the DeepSeek. Add this command. What I can see is that it is basically, you can say it is mixing the commands of the MPLab and the MikroC. Okay, again the same error. It is unable to do the correction. The error is still there. Okay, let's copy this code. Go back to the MikroC. Paste it, click on build. Okay, the code is built successfully. I never wrote it like this, but it's built successfully. The code is built. Okay, let's go to the PIC programmer tool. Select the hex file. This is, click on write. Okay, the new code is being written. Let's see, does it work or not? I have never used this command in my codes, but let's see if it works. Then it works. Oh, that's perfect. So DeepSeek has generated a very nice code. It made an error, but we know it was an error because the comments were correct. Unlike the ChatGPT, we made a video on the ChatGPT as well. There the comment was that it is RD0 while it was RD1. So he has programmed RD0 but had written in the comment that it is RD1 while it has not made that mistake. It has written a correct comment. So see, the code is working fine. So DeepSeek has generated a perfect code. Now see, let's try the alternative one as well. It has given us two codes. The other one is this. So this is the second code. Just copy it. Let's see, does it work or not. Paste it here, build the code. Okay, perfect, no error. Let's use the PIC programmer tool, write this code. Let's go to the hardware and see what happens this time. Okay, the new code is being written. See, the LED is blinking like a charm. So guys, the DeepSeek is working perfectly fine. As compared to the ChatGPT, DeepSeek is way better tool for this. So guys, I hope you guys learned something from this video. We'll see you in the next video. So goodbye until then.